17325 Canvasback Drive could be the start of your Central Oregon dream come true. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers features and yard space perfect for daily living or vacation headquarters. Comfort and efficiency greet you at the door and continue throughout the home. Take the party out to the side deck through the door here. Enjoy the outdoor lifestyle that Central Oregon is all about. The open concept layout offers easy flow and efficient use of space. Stainless steel appliances and great prep space in the kitchen. Convenient but out of sight, the laundry closet makes perfect use of the space.